Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a full screen drop-down menu or a mega menu inside WordPress using Elementor Page Builder absolutely for free. So every time you see these types of menus, they are using freemium plugins to achieve this, or they are using some premium themes which have by default these types of menus. Now the idea behind this was I was creating a website in which the client demand to have a menu like this. So basically this is the navigation menu with some social links and this whole background thing. And the client was using a free theme called Rasta and this menu was not available there. And I tried many plugins, but either their premium plugins or the free version doesn't have these types of look. Without further ado, let's get into it and I'll show you how to create this. So go to your WordPress dashboard, hover over plugins and add new. First of all, install and activate Elementor. I already have installed this. Then search for another plugin which is called full screen menu for Elementor. Now this is the plugin, or you can say an add-on for Elementor, which will enable us to create a full screen menu like this one. You will need to install this plugin also. So again, plugins, add new and search for full screen menu for Elementor. Then you will see this plugin, then install and activate this. Now I'll show you how to create a menu. So create a new page, for example. Edit this with Elementor. Now create a simple layout here. So I am creating this structure. I am giving this some padding so that you can see it easily, or margin. Okay, now once you have installed that plugin, then you will see a widget called full screen menu. So drag and drop this to the widget area and then you can select menu, save section or save pages. So by default it will show your menu here. Once you click, you will see the menu here. So this is the default menu which the plugin gives you, but you can create different type of menus using the saved section. Now sections, you may know about the sections. We can create sections in the template section of Elementor, and we can use this section anywhere in Elementor. So let's create a new section for the menu. We will create a menu like this. To create this, exit to dashboard. Go to templates, save templates and click add new. Now you can choose the template type, so just make it a section and give it a name. So I will write custom menu. And now here Elementor will show you some default sections that you can use. You can choose any of these, but we are creating this from scratch. As you can see here, there are 4 columns. So first of all, create a single widget. Now inside this, create 4 columns. You can use Ctrl D to duplicate these. You can display text, images, videos, everything here in the menu. I will create a mixed menu so that you can understand it easily. First of all, I will put the menu here. So search for menu. By default it will be horizontal. You can make it vertical. Here I will use an image like this one. So drag and drop an image and put an image there. So I will use this one for example, and you can put buttons. Also you can use video here and a form. We can use different type of elements here to display in our menu. Once you are done, then go ahead and publish this. Now we created a section. We just have to embed this section in the full screen menu. So once we click that hamburger icon, it will display our menu. So go back to your dashboard and the page we just created. Edit this. Here is our menu. You can change the look of this hamburger also. So if you want to change, then click this one, go to styles and style it like how you want it. Change the color, the spacing, thickness and width size. As we create a section, so we will use saved section here. Select template, so we just created custom menu. I will choose that one and click update. Now let's check this. So this is how our menu look like. We have the form, video, image and the menu links. Now this whole different on your choice. You can customize this like how you want. I put this menu here in middle because I already have another menu here. Well, if you want to put this in the header like this, then you will need to create a header template. I have already created a header template as you can see here and put that menu here. So I will show you this menu that I created earlier. So this is the menu I created using this plugin and Elementor. Now if you want, you can change the look, the background, the animations, everything here. And also you can create a menu like this where you can display your products, your carousel and everything. So hope this will be helpful for you. You can download this plugin for free and use it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next.